I'm Dr. Doman, but most people know me as the YogaDoc, combining chiropractic care, yoga, and cutting-edge tech like the Class 4 therapy laser to help you move better, heal faster, and feel incredible. So today, let's talk about the laser, not the sci-fi kind, but the one that's transforming how we treat musculoskeletal conditions right here in my clinic. I call it the cortisone injection without the needle or the bad side effects. So what can we treat with laser therapy? Number 1, tendonitis and bursitis. You know that shoulder or elbow pain that flares up every time you try to swing a tennis racket or do a push-up? This laser goes deep, like where our fingers can't reach, reducing inflammation and promoting healing so you can get back to doing whatever you love pain-free. Number 2, knee pain, like arthritis or meniscus tears or general wear and tear. Whether it's from running or just life, knee pain can be debilitating. The laser penetrates your tissues, improving circulation and jump-starting repair. And here's the exciting part. In some cases, this can even be used as a natural alternative to cortisone. They don't want you to know that. Yes, you heard it right. Skip the needle and still get relief. Number 3, low back pain and sciatica. If you've ever rolled out of bed feeling like you aged 1,000 years just overnight, you know the struggle of low back pain. The laser calms irritated nerves, reduces inflammation, and it helps to restore natural, healthy tissue. It's like giving your back its own restorative yoga session, minus the props. Number 4, muscle strains and sprains. If you pulled your hamstring, avoiding the proper warm-up before going to do something fun, the laser will speed up tissue repair, reduces pain, and helps you recover faster so you can get back to your normal sports and activities than if you tried to walk it off. So how does this awesome laser work? You're going to think of the Class 4 laser as a high-tech medical intervention for your cells, but without the pills or needles. It uses light energy to penetrate deep into your tissues, deeper than most other treatments can reach. This boosts your cell's natural healing process, it reduces inflammation, and it enhances the natural circulation for healing faster. The result? Faster healing, less pain, and a body that's ready to get back into action. So why should you care? Because your body deserves more than just masking pain with ice packs and pills. This therapy is about solving the problem at its source. And if someone's told you a cortisone shot is your only option, the laser could be a game-changing alternative that works without the needles or the bad side effects. I believe that healing isn't just about quick fixes. It's about creating space for your body to restore balance and thrive. So whether it's through a yoga class, chiropractic care, or the Class 4 laser, my goal is to help you move and live with ease. So if you are tired of limping, aching, or sitting out of your favorite activities, consider the Class 4 laser. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who's nursing their pain.